Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra Seneng Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 38, chapter number 8, basic concepts of differential and integral calculus. This is part B of chapter number 8, integral calculus. Okay, let's start with integration. Now, what is integration? Integration is nothing but the reverse process of differentiation. It is the reverse process of differentiation. Differentiation means f dash x. Integration means you will get the original function f of x. Okay. F of x differentiation, then you will get the f dash x. Integration of f dash x, so you will get the f of x. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Okay. We know d by dx x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 x raised to n upon n plus 1. Here we are using the formula d by dx of x raised to n. So n into x raised to n minus 1. For x raised to n plus 1, it becomes d by dx of x raised to n plus 1. It becomes n plus 1 x raised to n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So n plus 1 into x raised to n. Here n plus 1 is constant. So n plus 1 x raised to n upon n plus 1. N plus 1, n plus 1 cancel. You will get x raised to n. X raised to n, f of x. Okay. Integration is the inverse operation of differentiation and is denoted by this symbol. Okay. Hence, from the equation 1, it follows that integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here, both sides you can use integration sign. So d by dx x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is equal to integration of x raised to n. So d by dx integration cancel each other. So you will get integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. Now, integral of x raised to n with respect to variable x is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Thus, if we differentiate x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, we can get back x raised to n. Again, if we differentiate x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, and c being constant, we get back the same x raised to n. So d by dx x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c is equal to x raised to n. Hence, integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Here c is the constant of integration. Okay. Integral calculus was primarily invented to determine the area bounded by the curves, dividing the entire area into infinite number of infinitesimal small areas and taking the sum of all these small areas. Basic formula of integration. So, first is integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. If n is equal to minus 1, then x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Okay, so n does not equal to minus 1. Integration of dx is equal to x. Since integration of 1 dx is equal to integration of x raised to 0 dx is equal to x raised to 1 upon 1 is equal to x. You can write x raised to 0 dx is equal to, put the value into this formula, x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. So you will get the x by 1 is equal to x. So integration of dx is equal to x. Integration of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x plus c. d by dx e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Integration of e raised to ax dx is equal to e raised to ax upon a plus c. So d by dx of e raised to ax by a is equal to e raised to ax. You can solve by d by dx e raised to ax upon a. 1 upon a is constant. So d by dx of e raised to ax is equal to 1 upon a, e raised to x, e raised to x. Now again take d by dx of ax. So a constant, a by a, e raised to x. dx by dx, it means 1, a cancel. So you will get the e raised to ax. Okay. So e raised to ax by a plus c, the integration of e raised to ax dx. Okay. Now, next formula, integration of dx by x is equal to log x plus c. So d by dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x is log x. Okay. Integration of a raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x upon log a plus c. d by dx a raised to x upon log a is equal to a raised to x. So remember all the formulas, okay, to solve the integration. Note, in the answer for all integral sums, we add plus c constant of integration, since the differentiation of constant is always 0. Differentiation of constant is always 0. d by dx of m is equal to 0. d by dx of c is equal to 0. d by dx of k is equal to 0. Okay. So differentiation of constant is always 0. Elementary rules. Integration c f of x dx is equal to c constant common. Integration f of x dx where c is constant. Integration f of x dx plus or minus g of x dx is equal to integration of f of x dx plus or minus integration of g of x dx. Find a integration of root x dx. So here you have to find out the integration of root x dx. So instead of root x, you can write x raised to 1 by 2. So here integration of x raised to 1 by 2, it means here you are using x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 formula. So x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. 1 upon under root x dx. So you can write root x means x raised to 1 by 2. In the numerator you can write x raised to minus 1 by 2. Same formula you have to use, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 root x, 2 root x plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. E raised to minus 3x dx is equal to e raised to minus 3x upon minus 3 plus c is equal to minus 1 by 3 e raised to minus 3x plus c. Here e raised to minus 3x, so e raised to minus 3x integration is e raised to minus 3x, but 3 is here, so d by dx of minus 3x in denominator. So e raised to minus 3x minus 3 dx by dx1, so minus 1 by 3 or plus c. So minus 1 by 3 e raised to minus 3x plus c. Root 3x, 3 raised to x dx is equal to, there is a formula a raised to x, integration of a raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x upon log a, okay, plus c. So here same, instead of a, here 3 raised to x upon log 3 plus c. Next is integration of x root x dx. Here you can write x root x dx is equal to x into x raised to 1 by 2 dx. So x raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 dx, x raised to 3 by 2 dx. Okay, so 3 by 2, again use the same formula, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 dx is equal to 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus c. Okay. Next example, evaluate the following integral. Integration x plus 1 by x square dx is equal to, here you can use the a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So using this, x plus 1 by x square dx is equal to x square plus 2 x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square dx. X cancel, so x square dx plus 2 dx plus integration of 1 upon x square dx. X square, again using the same formula, integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So for this, x cube by 3 plus 2 constant common, integration of dx is x plus integration of x square. So you can write x raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So you can get x cube by 3 plus 2x minus 1 by x plus c. Okay. So this is the answer. Root x, second, root x into x cube plus 2x minus 3 dx. So again you can write integration of root x, it means x raised to 1 by 2 multiply with x cube plus integration of, or here dx plus 2 integration of x into x1 by 2 dx minus 3 integration of x raised to 1 by 2 dx. So x raised to 1 by 2 plus 3 dx plus 2 x raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 dx minus 3 integration of x raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 1 x raised to 7 by 2. Here you will get x raised to 7 by 2 dx plus 2 x raised to 3 by 2 dx minus 3 x raised to 1 by 2 dx. X raised to 7 by 2 dx, integration of this is x raised to 7 by 2 plus 1 upon 7 by 2 plus 1. Same way 2 common, constant is common, x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. 7 by 2 plus 1 is 9 by 2. So here it becomes 2 by 9 x raised to 9 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 minus 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. E raised to 3x plus e raised to minus 3x dx. So here there is a mistake. Integration of e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 4x. Okay, this is the question. Dx is equal to, you can write e raised to 2x dx plus e raised to minus 4x dx. So e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x d by dx of 2x in denominator plus e raised to minus 4x upon d by dx of minus 4x is equal to e raised to 2x 2 minus e raised to minus 4x by 4 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, or you can write e raised to 2x by 2 minus 1 by 4 into e raised to 4x plus c. When numerator becomes denominator, it becomes the power of the power becomes positive. Negative power becomes positive. Okay. X square, integration of x square by x plus 1 dx. Whenever that type of sum comes, you have to take x square plus 1 minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, so easily you can solve this. Dx is equal to x square minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus 1 dx upon x plus 1. So here instead of x square minus 1, you can write x minus 1 into x plus 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus dx upon x plus 1. X plus 1 cancel, x minus 1 dx plus, here 1 upon x plus 1 is log x plus 1. So integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 1 is minus x and plus log x plus 1 as it is plus c. Next question. Integration of x cube plus pi x square minus 3 upon x plus 2 dx. By simple division, x cube plus pi x square minus 3 upon x plus 2 dx here x square plus x square into x plus 2. So you will get x cube plus 2x square. So we require the 3x square plus minus 3 is there. So 3x square, 3 2s are 6x plus 6x. So 3x common. 3x common, x plus 2, 6x. So minus 6 into x plus 2 minus 6x, 6 2s are 12. Here we require minus 3, so plus 9 added. Okay, so you can write x square plus 3x minus 6. Take x plus 2 common from this. So you can write x square plus 3x minus 6 plus here 9. So 9 upon x plus 2 dx. So x square, x cube by 3, 3x. Integration of 3x is 3x square by 2 minus integration of 6 is 6x plus 9. 1 upon x plus 2, it means 9 log x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Method of substitution, change of variable. It is sometimes possible by a change of independent variable to transform a function into another which can be readily integrated. We can show the following rules. To put z is equal to f of x and also adjust dz is equal to f dash x dx. Example, integration f of h of x into h dash x dx is equal to, take here e raised to z is equal to h of x and to adjust dz is equal to h dash x dx. Then integrate integration of f of z dz using normal rule. So 2x plus 3 raised to 7 dx. So you can take 2x plus 3 is equal to t, because here the power is 7. So you cannot multiply 2x plus 3 7 times. Okay. It becomes very lengthy procedure. Okay. So take 2x plus 3 is equal to t. This is short and sweet method. Okay. So take differentiation of 2x plus 3 3 d by dx is equal to dt by dx. So here 2x, so 2 plus 3 constant, so 0 dt by dx. So 2 dx is equal to dt. Okay, so you can write dx is equal to dt by 2 because we require the 2x plus 3 raised to 7 dx in terms of t. Okay, so 2x plus 3 raised to 7 dx is equal to 1 by 2 t raised to 7 dt. So here you will get t raised to 8, 1 by 2 constant common, t raised to 8 by 8, t raised to 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 1 formula, t raised to 8 upon 16. Now you can put the value of t. The value of t is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 raised to 8 upon 16 plus c. Okay. This method is known as method of substitution. Okay. There is one another method you can solve by using this method also. Okay, so 2x plus 3 raised to 7 dx. Okay, consider this is x, so you can write 2x plus 3 raised to 8 upon 8, and here this is the not the standard form, so you have to take the differentiation, d by dx 2x plus 3 plus c. So 2x plus 3 raised to 8, 8 differentiation of 2x is 2, 8 2s are 16. So you will get the same answer, 2x plus 3 raised to 8 by 16 plus c. Okay. X cube upon x square plus 1 cube dx. So here consider x square plus 1 is equal to t. Now take the differentiation. So d by dx of x square plus 1 is equal to dt by dx. So 2x, 1 constant 0, dt by dx. So we required the 1x from this formula question. Okay, so you can write x square into x dx upon x square plus 1 cube. So dt by 2 is equal to x into dx. So x into dx, x into dx, instead of x into dx put dt by 2. Here you can also x square plus 1 is equal to t. So x square is equal to t minus 1. So instead of x square put t minus 1 upon t cube into dt by 2, 1 by 2 constant common. So now solve the example. 1 by 2 integration of t upon t cube dt minus integration of 1 upon t cube dt. Here t by t cube, so 1 upon t square minus 1 by 2 dt by t cube. So t square it means 1 upon t square, it means t raised to minus 2. So it becomes t raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into t raised to minus, because 1 upon t cube it becomes minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. So 1 by 2 1 upon t plus minus minus plus 1 by 4 1 upon t square. So 1 upon 4t square minus 1 upon 2t. So instead of t, x square plus 1. Put the x square plus 1. So 1 by 4 1 upon x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 1 upon x square plus 1 plus c. Here there is a one mistake, t square is there. So 1 by 4 1 upon x square plus 1 square minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 plus c. Okay. Important standard formula. These all are the formulas. Okay, so you have to remember it. A dx integration of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Integration of dx upon under root x square plus a square is equal to log mod x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Dx upon under root x square minus a square is equal to log in the bracket x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. E raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Under root x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Under root x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square minus a square by 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. Using this formula, your sum becomes very easy. Okay. So you can find solution very easily. So remember all those formulas. Okay. Examples. E raised to x upon e raised to 2x minus 4 dx. Consider e raised to x is equal to z. So dz becomes e raised to x dx. E raised to x dx dz upon e raised to 2x. So e raised to x z. So e raised to 2x it becomes z square minus 2 square. So this is the formula of integration of dx upon x square minus s square. The solution is 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So 1 by 4 log 2 to the 4 1 by 4 log e raised to x minus 2 upon e raised to x plus 2 plus c. Next is b integration of 1 upon x plus under root x square minus 1 dx. So x minus multiply with x minus under root x square minus 1 both numerator and denominator. So x plus under root x square minus 1 into x minus under root x square minus 1. So x minus under root x square minus 1 upon it is x square minus x square minus 1. So it becomes x minus under root x square minus 1 x square minus x square minus minus plus 1 dx. So x square minus x square cancel. So only x minus under root x square minus 1 dx. So x, integration of x is x square by 2 minus under root x square minus s square. So the formula is minus x by 2 under root x square minus 1 plus 1 by 2 log x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c. Next is c, e raised to x into x cube plus 3x square dx. X cube, f dash x of x cube is 3x square. Okay, so you can use this formula, e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx, where f of x is equal to x cube. So here you will get e raised to x f of x plus c. So f of x is x cube. So e raised to x into x cube plus c. Integration by parts. So integration uv dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration du by dx integration of v dx bracket complete dx, where u and v are two different functions of x. Evaluate x into e raised to x dx. Integrating by parts, we see x into e raised to x dx is equal to x into x integration of e raised to x dx minus integration d by dx of x, because here u is equal to x. Integration of e raised to x dx x into e raised to x minus dx by dx, it becomes 1. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx. So x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. X into log x dx. Now integrating by parts, log x as it is, integration of x dx minus integration of d by dx log x integration of x dx. So here log x as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration in the bracket d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 dx. X 1x is cancelled. So x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integration of x dx. Again, integration of x dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So x square by 2 log x minus x square by 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 plus c. Integration of x square into e raised to x dx. So x square as it is, integration of e raised to x dx minus integration of dx square by dx integration of e raised to x dx. So x square as it is, e raised to x integration of e raised to x as it is, but here ax is there, so again take the differentiation in denominator. So d by dx of ax is a minus x square 2x into e raised to ax upon a dx. X square by a e raised to ax minus 2 upon a constant x into e raised to ax dx. Again take for x into e raised to ax dx. Again take uv dx formula. So here x as it is, integration of e raised to ax dx minus integration of dx by dx, integration of e raised to ax dx dx. So x e raised to ax upon a minus dx by dx 1 e raised to ax by a dx. So x into e raised to ax by a minus 1 upon a constant e raised to ax. Again take differentiation of ax a. Okay, so put this value into this bracket. 2 by a constant is there, so multiply with it. X square e raised to ax by a as it is minus 2 by a, multiply with this, so a into a, it becomes a square. 2x e raised to ax minus minus plus 2 upon a cube e raised to ax plus c. Okay. Method of partial fraction type 1. Integration of 3x plus 2 dx upon x minus 2 x minus 3. Here take a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 3. Here degree of the numerator must be lower than that of the denominator. The denominator contains non-repeated linear factor. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Put x is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. A 2 minus 3 plus b 2 minus 2 0. 8 is equal to a 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 0. So a is equal to minus 8. A is equal to minus 8. Now put x is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. A 0 plus b 3 minus 2, it becomes 1. So b is equal to 11. Put this value into this equation. So minus 8 up integration of dx upon x minus 2 plus 11 constant common dx upon x minus 3. That was very simple. Dx upon x minus a, it means log x minus a. So it becomes minus 8 log x minus 2 plus 11 log x minus 3 plus c. Here 8 is missing. So minus 8 log x minus 2 plus 11 log x minus 3 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Type 2. 3x plus 2 x minus 2 square into x minus 3 dx is equal to, you have to take a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 2 square plus c upon x minus 3. So 3x plus 2 is equal to a into x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b x into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 2 square. Comparing coefficient of x square, x and the constant terms of both sides, we find a plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 2, minus 5a plus b minus 4c is equal to 3. Equation number 3, 6a minus 3b plus 4c is equal to 2. By adding 2 and 3, we will get a minus 2b is equal to 5. Now 1 minus 4. So a plus c minus a plus 2b 0 minus 5. A minus a cancel. 2b plus c is equal to minus 5. It becomes equation number 5. From 4, a is equal to 2b plus 5 or 5 plus 2b. From 5th, c is equal to minus 5 minus 2b. So from equation to minus 5 into 5 plus 2b plus b minus 4 into minus 5 minus 2b. Put the value of a and c into this is equal to 3. So minus 25 minus 10b plus 20 plus 8b is equal to 3. So minus b minus 5 is equal to 3. So b is equal to minus 8, a is equal to minus 11 and c becomes minus a is equal to 11. Okay. Therefore, 3x plus 2 dx upon x minus 2 square into x minus 3 is minus 11 integration of dx upon x minus 2 minus 8 dx upon x minus 2 square plus 11 upon 11 integration of dx upon x minus 3. But dx of x minus a, it is log x minus a plus c. So here minus 11 log x minus 2 plus 8 upon minus, here x minus 2 square is there. Okay. So x minus 2 square, x minus 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1, it becomes x minus 2 dx. So x minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So minus minus plus 8 upon x minus 2 plus 11 log x minus 3. So you can write 11 log x minus 3 minus 11 log x minus 2 plus 8 upon x minus 2 plus c. So here you can write 11 log x minus 3 minus sign. So our denominator x minus 2 plus 8 upon x minus 2 plus c. Okay. Type 3. 3x square minus 2x plus 5 upon x minus 1 square into x square plus 5 dx. So a upon x minus 1 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 5. So 3x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to a into x square plus 5 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. Equating the coefficient of x square x and the constant terms of both the sides, we get a plus b is equal to 3. Equation number 1. C minus b is equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. 5a minus c is equal to 5. Equation number 3. By adding 1 and 2, we will get a plus c. Minus b plus b cancel. 3 minus 2 is 1. By adding equation 3 and 4, we will get 6a minus c plus c cancel. So 6a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. B is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and c is equal to 0. Now put into this integration form. Dx upon x minus 1 plus 2x upon x square plus 5 dx. So again dx upon x minus a is equal to log x minus a plus c. Here 1 upon x minus 1, so it becomes log x minus 1 plus log x square plus 5. So here plus sign, so log multiplication is there. Log x square plus 5 into x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Next example, dx upon x into x cube plus 1, integration of dx upon x into x cube plus 1. Here take x cube is equal to z. So 3x square dx is equal to dz. So multiply. Here we will require x square in numerator. So multiply with x square into numerator and denominator. X cube plus 1 dx. X square dx. So x square into dx upon x cube into x cube plus 1. So the x cube is equal to z. So 1 by 3 common, dz upon, instead of x cube write z, x cube plus 1, it means z plus 1. So you can take 1 upon z minus 1 upon z plus 1. Here this will come from here 1 by 3 z plus 1 minus 1 z plus 1 minus z upon z into z plus 1. Now 1 by 3 constant, so you can write z plus 1 into z upon z plus 1 minus 1 by 3 integration of z by z into z plus 1 dz. Z plus 1 cancel, 1 by z is here, minus z cancel, 1 upon z plus 1 dz. Okay, so 1 by z it means log z minus log z minus 1 by 3 log z plus 1. So here 1 by 3 log x cube upon x cube plus 1. There is a mistake. Okay. So it becomes plus, not minus sign. 1 by 3 log x cube upon x cube plus 1 plus c. Put the value of z into this and we will get this answer. Example, find the equation of the curve where the slope at xy is 9x and which passes through the origin. So dy by dx is equal to 9x. So integration of dy is equal to y is equal to 9x square by 2. Take both side integration, dy by dx is equal to integration of 9x. So dy or integration cancel. So it becomes y is equal to 9 constant x square by 2 plus c. Since it passes through the origin, so c is equal to 0. Thus required equation is 9x square is equal to 2y. Here c is equal to 0. Okay. Definite integration. Suppose f of x dx is equal to fx. As x changes from a to b, the value of the integral changes from f of a to f of b. This is as a to b f of x dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. B is called the upper limit and a is called the lower limit. Okay. Of integration. We shall first deal with the indefinite integral and then take up the definite integral. 0 to 2 x raised to 5 dx, integration of 0 to 2 x raised to 5 dx. So here you will have to use x raised to n dx formula is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So here x raised to 5, so you will get x raised to 6 by 6. But there is a limit 0 to 2. So put this 0 to 2. So f of 2 minus f of 0. It means instead of x, take 2. put x is equal to 2 and another time put x is equal to 0. 2 raised to 6 by 6 minus 0 raised to 6 by 6. So 2 raised to 6 by 6, 64 by 6. 2 3s are 2, 32s are. It becomes 32 by 3. Note, in definite integration, the constant c should not be added. 1 to 2 x square minus 5x plus 2 dx. This is very easy. Okay. X square, x cube by 3 integration minus 5x square by 2, 2 plus 2x. Now take limit 1 and 2. So put the value f of 2 minus f of 1. Here f of 2 x is equal to 2, f of 1 x is equal to 1. 2 cube by 3 minus 5 into 2 square upon 2 plus 2 into 2 minus sign. F of 1 by 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So here 2 cube by 3, 8 by 3 minus 2 2s are 4 5s are, or 2 2 cancel, 2 5s are 10 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12 by 3 2s are 6. So here 8 by 3 minus 6. So 8 minus 18 by 3 minus 12 plus 2, 14 minus 15 minus 1 by 6. 8 minus 18 minus 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 3 2s are 10, 2s are 20 minus 20 plus 1 upon 6. So you will get minus 19 by 6. Okay. Important properties. Important properties of definite integral. A to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of d dt. A to b f of x dx is equal to minus b to a. Upper limit becomes lower and lower becomes upper. So minus b to a f of x dx. A to b f of x dx is equal to b to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx, where a less than c less than b. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. When f of x is equal to f of a plus x, 0 to na f of x dx is equal to n constant 0 to a f of x dx. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. If f of minus x is equal to f of x. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, the answer will be 0. Okay. Next, 0 to 2 x square dx upon x square plus 2 minus x whole square. 0 to 2 x square dx, x square plus 2 minus x whole square. By property 4, so remember all the properties, okay? Directly here we can write 2 minus x square dx f of x, so f of a minus x. So 2 minus x square dx upon 2 minus x square plus x square. So 2I is equal to 0 to 2 x square dx upon x square plus 2 minus x square plus 0 to 2 2 minus x square. This is also I and I plus I 2I 0 to 2, 2 minus x square upon 2 minus x square plus x square. So 0 to 2 x square plus 2 minus x square upon x square plus 2 minus x square dx. So both cancel. 0 to 2 dx, integration of dx is x. 0 to 2, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So here 2y is equal to 2. So I is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Next evaluate minus 2 to 2 x raised to 4 dx upon a raised to 10 minus x raised to 10, a greater than 2. X raised to 4 dx upon a raised to 10 minus x raised to 10. So you can write as a raised to 5 square minus x raised to 5 square, x raised to 4 dx. X raised to 5 is equal to t. So that 5x raised to 4 dx is equal to dt. So x raised to 4 dx is equal to dt. Now x raised to 4 dx upon x raised to 5 square minus x raised to 5 whole square 1 upon 5, 5x raised to 4 dx upon a raised to 5 square minus x raised to 5 square. Here we are multiplying with 5 and 5 in numerator and denominator. So 5x raised to 4 dx is dt. So directly we can write dt upon 1 upon 5 a raised to 5 square minus t square. So 1 upon 10 a raised to 5 log a raised to 5 plus x raised to 5 upon a raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 by standard formula. Okay. So therefore minus 2 to 2 x raised to 4 dx upon a raised to 10 minus x raised to 10. 2 common. Minus 2 to 2 it becomes 2. 0 to 2 limit change. X raised to 4 dx upon a raised to 10 minus x raised to 10 using the properties. So 2 into 1 upon 10 a raised to 5 log a raised to 5 plus x raised to 5 upon a raised to 5 minus x raised to 5, 0 to 2. 1 upon 2 5s are 10. 1 upon 5 a raised to 5 log a raised to 5 plus 32 upon a raised to 5 minus 32. One time x is equal to 2 and one time x is equal to 0. After putting this value, we will get the answer 1 upon 5 a raised to 5 log a raised to 5 plus 32 upon a raised to 5 minus 32. Now summary. X raised to n dx, integration of x raised to n dx, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, n not equal to minus 1. N is equal to minus 1, it becomes 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Integration of dx is equal to x. So 1 dx, x raised to 0 dx is equal to x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 1. So it becomes x. Integration of e raised to x dx is e raised to x plus c. Since d of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x. E raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x upon a plus c. Dx by dx is equal to log x plus c. A raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x upon log a plus c. C f of x dx, c is constant, common f of x dx where c is constant. F of x dx plus or minus g of x dx is equal to f of x dx in plus or minus integration of g of x dx. Integration of dx upon x square minus s square, standard formula 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Integration of dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Dx upon under root x square plus s square is equal to log mod x plus under root x square plus s square plus c. Integration of dx upon under root x square minus s square is equal to log in the bracket x plus under root x square minus s square plus c. Integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x f of x plus c. Integration of x square under root x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus a square by 2 log in the bracket x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Under integration of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square minus a square by 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. Important properties of definite integral. A raised to b f of x dx is equal to a raised to b f of t dt. A raised to b f of x dx is equal to minus b upon b to a f of x dx. A to b f of x dx is equal to b to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. A less than c less than b. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. When f of x is equal to f of a plus x, 0 to n a f of x dx is equal to n 0 to a f of x dx. Minus a to a f of x dx, limit change to 0 to a f of x dx, where u and v are two different functions of x. So this lecture is over here. In the next lecture we will solve the questions of exercise 8b. Okay, so remember these formulas and properties carefully. Okay, so you can easily solve this integration. Okay, so remember it. See you soon. Bye bye.